decide what you want to slide.
Drawers.
A drawer usually, but
Yes.
different size.
Okay.
That's going to drive what you're going to buy. A big one for big size or a small one for smaller size.
So decide on the length.
Decide on the length, decide on the type. Some are full extension, your drawer comes out totally.
Okay.
Some are partial extension.
Okay.
And some can handle weight, 75 pounds or 100 pounds.
Oh, so there's a weight difference.
What are you going to put in your drawer? Slides come in two shapes or two parts.
Okay, this is the place where I get screwed up. Okay.
Yeah, the part that goes on your drawer, and the part that goes on your cabinet.
Now, this is the secret I need. How do you keep things straight?
Make sure you have a straight line that is there.
Okay.
And then fix it there. The part that goes in your cabinet, you can use a level. Personally, I cheat. I make measurements or take measurements from the bottom of my cabinet. Lean that against the wall where my slide goes, and I use one of these.
And you screw it in place at where you want this to go, and that's it.
That's it.
You want to go install all my drawers now?
Let's do that.